So on today's video, we're going to be doing a detailed step-by-step review on how Patrex Pro is changing lives, on how Patrex Pro has become the most viral and the most profitable Forex robot. So if this is your first time watching me, my name is Ndemazeah Godlove. I do videos about Forex trading, travel, business, and general entrepreneurship. And if this is your first time watching me, don't forget to smash the subscribe button below to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss content like this. So what is Patrex Pro in the first place? Patrex Pro is a Forex robot which was founded by me and my team. And the reason why I founded Patrex Pro was just because of this screenshot. You can see on this particular screenshot, it says this is the biggest broker in the whole world, no doubt. All right, this is the biggest broker, and it says 60% of all their profitable trade. I've been trading with this broker for more than 7 years. It says 60% of all their profitable trades are performed by a robot. So I was like, oh. So as a human, I'm trying to crack my head with these strategies. I'm trying to have sleepless nights. Meanwhile, if I can have a robot that can be able to mimic my strategies, that robot will even perform better. When I started this statement back in 2018, 2019, it sparked something in my head and I started doing research. So these are some of the advantages why a Forex robot will even perform more than a human. All right, don't get me wrong. You should be able to have some of your strategies as technical strategies, some of your strategies as robotic strategies, and some of your strategies as fundamental strategies. I'm talking about robotic strategies, which is going to be performed by a robot, right? And these are the advantages of using a Forex robot. Have you ever noticed when you do your analysis, you want to be able to buy at a particular resistance, sell at a particular support or whatsoever, and when the market gets there, you start battling with yourself. You start asking yourself questions. You start second guessing. You start having confluences. You start having conflict of ideas, conflict of interest. So you start battling with yourself. That is what a human will do. All right. You start getting emotions involved because you want to be able to risk $100. Maybe that's hard-earned money you borrow from your friend, from your mother, from your girlfriend. You start battling with yourself. That is what we humans, as us humans, our brains are programmed to help us to escape pain. All right, it's like that. Our brains are programmed to prevent us from going through pains. That's how we are programmed as humans. So when you are trading manually, sometimes there is no way you can fight this. That's how you were built. That's how you were programmed. You'll be able to have this conflict of interest sometimes. You'll be able to have these emotions involved in trading sometimes. You'll be able to have this second guessing involved in trading sometimes. But with a Forex robot is going to automatically eliminate all of this. A Forex robot is going to eliminate second guessing. A Forex robot is going to eliminate any emotions. One reason why people fail in Forex trading is because they get too much emotions involved. So a Forex robot is also going to be able to eliminate all emotions when it comes to trading. A Forex robot is also going to be able to eliminate all second guessing. If you program a robot that buy at this point, if you see this, if you see this, if you see this, when the market gets to that particular point, whether you borrow the money from your girlfriend or from your mother or from your granny who is dying on the hospital bed and put in that trading, the robot is going to execute without second guessing. So a Forex robot is also going to automatically eliminate second guessing. It's going to eliminate all emotions. It's going to eliminate all conflicts when it comes to trading. And another advantage of also using a Forex robot is it can work 24/7. All right, it eliminates fatigue. As a human, there is no way, even if you want to say, I can go hours upon hours, you can't work 24/7. There are hours where you need to rest. But a Forex robot can work 24/7. You just need to have a VPS on that robot, and no matter what you are doing, that robot is still performing. That robot is still printing money. All right. So these were some of the reasons that caused me to be able to do my own research. I'm like, I must come out with a tool that can revolutionize the entire Forex industry. I can come out with a tool that even if I'm traveling and I'm going from country to country, that robot or that tool should still be printing me money. I remember when we were on our world tour about 2 months ago, I was in Greece. One of my highest profit that I ever made with my Forex robot was when I was in Greece. And when I shared that screenshot on my status, people were like, I want to get into robotic trading. Should we just abandon everything? I was like, no. Even before I got to this particular level, I already have strategies that are already working on my manual account, I already have manual strategies before I am programming a robot. So you should already be profitable before you are thinking of looking for a robot. You should already have a strategy which is working before you are thinking of mimicking a robot that can perform, that can eliminate emotions, eliminate second guessing, eliminate fatigue, eliminate conflict of trading, all of that. All right. So the reason why you have a robot should be able to eliminate all of those things so that the idea or the strategy can be executed 24/7 without any interruptions. That should be the main reason. All right. So because of that, I came up with Patrex Pro about a year ago. Patrex Pro is almost, when it went public, I worked on Patrex for almost 2 to 3 years as a private robot. I have a team of 2 Ukrainian, you guys already know, who are working on all my robots. I have different robots, and the most profitable is Patrex Pro, which is the public one. All right. So this team of 2 guys, they are constantly maintaining and working on the robot every month. So when the robot became public, it went viral. Everyone started sharing it, and it also just break the internet when all prop firms could accept robotic trading, or when all prop firms could accept Patrex Pro. So if you go to a prop firm that accepts, the first thing you need to be able to check is to check if that prop firm accepts EAs. That's the first thing you check. Does the prop firm, just go on their live chat and ask, does your prop firm accept EA? They will say, yes, we accept EAs, but your EA shouldn't do HF or high frequency trading. Your EA shouldn't do Matinga. Your EA shouldn't do tick trading. Your EA shouldn't do arbitrage trading and all of that. I already know all those illegal trading methods which people use EAs to be able to take advantage of prop firms. So Patrex Pro eliminate all of that. Patrex Pro doesn't have any of these illegal trading method which prop firms don't like, or even brokers don't like. So once you tell them that, no, my robot is just based on a simple, I didn't tell you guys the strategy behind Patrex Pro. Even though hundreds of people have tried to duplicate Patrex Pro, but only one person can have it. You can't duplicate Patrex Pro. It's not possible. All right. Even though all people know the strategy behind, but you can't. There's no way you can duplicate it. All right. That's 8 years of experience embedded into a Forex robot. So once you already inform your prop firm that, no, this is the strategy behind my robot is very simple. It doesn't do high frequency trading, doesn't do arbitrage, doesn't do Matinga, doesn't do tick trading, or all of these illegal trading method. They're going to be like, okay, there's no problem. You can use your EA. So you use your EA on most of those prop firms, and if you can see payouts like this is a payout that I got just about 2 or 3 days ago from the founder next. Strictly, most of these strategies were strictly robotic strategies. Before my Forex fund went down, I've gotten payouts of almost about $58,000 to $60,000, and about 40% of all these payouts you are seeing, these were all robotic trades. So they're going to be able to pay you out. So don't worry. That's something you need to also understand. Then remember, I have some points. We've already talking about what is Patrex Pro. Then who can use Patrex Pro? That is a big question. So Patrex Pro can be used by both beginners or pros. All right, both beginners or pros. Even if you just started Forex trading yesterday, you can still use Patrex Pro, because anytime you purchase Patrex Pro is going to come with a list of almost about 20 videos. All right, Patrex, that is the only robot that gives you a certificate before you can use it on your account. Meaning, anytime you purchase Patrex Pro, there's a curriculum. That's the only robot that's certified. You need to be able to be certified. You need to be certified before you can use Patrex Pro. That's something you guys need to be able to understand. So you can't just buy it and just go directly. You just go directly to the download button, click on download and install on your computer. The download button won't work, it won't download. You have to go through the entire course, the entire curriculum of almost about 20 videos to be able to and sign that, okay, you've understood, and a certificate that looks like this. This is the certificate of Patrex Pro. This is the certificate of Patrex Pro. So you must go through the entire videos and confirm that you've already understand all the videos and you understand how to use the robot, understand risk management and money management before and you get certified with your certificate before you are permitted to download the robot. So it can be used by beginners or pro. Beginners will just go through those videos and they'll know how to use it. Pros will still go through those videos and they'll just know how to use it better. So it can be used by beginners or pro. Then let's talk about the profit and drawdowns when it comes to Patrex Pro. Just like any other strategy, remember Patrex Pro has a strategy. Patrex Pro has a strategy behind that particular robot. So they are both any strategy, no matter which strategy you are talking about, there will be profit factors and drawdown factors. Let's talk about profit factors. You can see screenshots like this. All these screenshots you are seeing, these are all screenshots from Patrex Pro. All these screenshots of taking a $1,000 to $23,000, $1,000 to $40,000 sometimes, or $2,000 to $10,000, $5,000 to $50,000. So these are all profits by Patrex Pro. No robot will do this. This is crazy. So this is what I used to tell people. I used to tell people that, okay, I have separate accounts that I use only for my robotic trading. And if I come today and I put $1,000 on that particular account, I used to call it the all or nothing. That's the way. Patrex Pro is built to be able to feed your style of trading. Meaning, no matter your style of trading, Patrex Pro is going to feed that particular style. Meaning, let's just take the particular style that I used to use sometimes. I come on that particular account and I put $1,000. I look for a trend and I put Patrex Pro on it, and Patrex Pro start buying. My main goal is to be able to make is to be able to make sometimes $15,000 to $20,000 from $1,000 account. Meaning, I'm ready to lose that $1,000. Even if it doesn't go my way, I'm ready to let $1,000 go. I put another $1,000, I'm ready to let it go. And put another $1,000, I'm ready. Even if I have 5 losers on the row, which is rare, I'm ready to lose $5,000 on the row. The same thing if you are using $100, I'm ready to lose $500 on the row, right? So let's talk about the $1,000 case. So I'm ready to lose $5,000 on a row, and then the one winner that I'm going to pick, one winner that is going to pick my trend, Patrex Pro will give me $15,000. Patrex Pro will give me $20,000. And I'm just going to remove the one I lose, and then I'm still up with almost about $10,000 profit, almost about $15,000 profit. So that's the idea behind Patrex Pro. The profit margins for Patrex Pro are unlimited. Patrex Pro can take a $1,000 account to a $100,000 account. You guys can see Patrex Pro work on all markets. All market, any market that produce a candlestick, even stocks, even crypto, even Forex, even indices, commodities, any asset can work with Patrex Pro. You can see this was on Nasdaq. This is Patrex Pro on Nasdaq. And you can also see this is Patrex Pro on Forex. You can see the profit, all right? This is Patrex Pro on Gold. You can see the profit. So the profit margin for Patrex Pro are unlimited. Then let's talk about the drawdowns. Remember, I was going to be talking about the good, the bad, and the ugly. And I'm also going to be very truthful. Yes, the drawdown, I've also informed you guys that you need to be able to understand that this is, the robot have, there are some parameters on the back end that are called aggressive parameters. Meaning, if you turn on those parameters, the robot becomes very aggressive. If you turn on the conservative parameters, the robot becomes very conservative. So you need to be able to fine tune it to the kind of trader you are, to fit your style of trading. All these fingers are not the same. So if you're an aggressive trader, you can use it aggressively. If you're a conservative trader, you can use it conservatively. All right. So the drawdowns, there's no stable drawdown. It is just based on your style of trading and the kind of trader you want to be. So that is who can use Patrex Pro and which markets work better for Patrex Pro. Like I said, Patrex Pro can be used on any market. That's why it is a very viral robot, the most viral robot as we speak. Just check on the internet, just write on Google, just Patrex Pro. You're going to see reviews, you're going to see everything you want to see about that particular robot. And also, we also have, let's talk about a community. This is also a robot that has a dedicated Discord. You can see this is our dedicated Discord community strictly about Patrex Pro. People sharing ideas, challenges they are having. But we have a dedicated community where once you start using the robot, after downloading it, if you have any challenge, you just go on that community. There are people who have been using it for a year. There are people who have been using it for months. They're going to be able to tell you, oh, I have a dedicated admin that is also there to assist anyone who is having a problem. Then let's talk about testimonies. You can see these are all testimonies about Profirms, about Patrex Pro. People are passing Profirms with Patrex Pro. People are having their first profits on their live account with Patrex Pro. People are having their first profitable trades in Forex trading with. So you can just see all these screenshots you are seeing. These are all screenshots from Patrex Pro. And the reason why I haven't even spoken about Patrex Pro for a while was because Patrex Pro is just selling itself. All right, sometimes you don't need marketing on a good product. The product just automatically sells itself, because now we're having a referral. One person buys it, makes profit, then recommend it to the friend, recommend to the brother, the broker. So it just becomes like a chain. That's why I said don't even talk about the robot anymore, because it's just selling. It's now like a funnel. It's just selling automatically. Then let's talk about where you can use it. Yes, you can use it on your private account, which can be your private brokerage account. You can just sign up. If you want to use a good broker that will accept, that is good with Patrex Pro, you can just check my list of like recommended brokers on the list below. So you can use it on your private account and you can use it on a Profirm account. Then we've also spoken about why, or let me just put more light on why this is the best Forex broker, or why it has gotten many recognitions and many awards as the most profitable mechanical Forex robot. I already told you guys the advantages of using a Forex robot, and Patrex Pro is going to be able to handle all these points like a pro. That's why it is called Patrex Pro, and people have been able to make their first profits with Patrex Pro. People have been able to pass their first Profirm accounts with Patrex Pro. People have been able to reinstall their faith in Forex trading because of Patrex Pro. So this is a tool, this is a game changer. This is something I'm using myself on a daily basis. You guys see screenshots, alerts like this, boom, you just hit your profit target. Alerts, these are all profit Patrex Pro trade. And like I said, I have technical strategies, which are my support and resistance strategies, my trend trading strategies and all of that. And I also have robotic strategies and fundamental strategies. So this is why Patrex Pro is the most viral robot, and why you have to start using Patrex Pro today. So talking about where you can get Patrex Pro, there's an official website for Patrex Pro, where on this website you also be able to go step to step to see the back testing of Patrex Pro, to see the parameters, to see the strategy behind Patrex Pro, to see the community for Patrex. Anything you want to know about Patrex Pro, testimonies, certification, you see everything on that particular website, and you see the link on the video description. Let's also talk about pricing. Based on all these features on this particular robot, Patrex Pro, which you won't see on any other robot on the internet. Remember, when anything has to do with me, it is always exceptional. So based on this feature, this robot should be going $5,000 to $10,000. But like I said, I don't make money from this robot. I'm making money from the Forex market. The reason why you guys pay a fee is because obviously there's a team behind the whole robot, keeping it up and running and maintaining it. All right, so it goes for $599 for a yearly license, but you can also get even a monthly license or 3 months license for $200 or $300 or so. So you can just go on the website and you'll be able to see the pricing. Like I said, this is a robot that is changing the way people trade. This is a robot that is revolutionizing the way people trade. It's revolutionizing the way people see Forex trading in general. And if you are fortunate to watch this video today, remember I said at the beginning, if you are fortunate to watch this video to the end, then there is a discount for you. All right, for limited time only, maybe for a couple of days, 2 to 3 days, limited time only, we're going to be giving Patrex Pro for a 10% discount off. All right, Patrex Pro for a 10% discount off. So you can just go on the website and you use the code Patrex10. That's it. Just write Patrex10 and you'll be able to have 10% off, a whooping 10% off from the entire price. So that is that about Patrex Pro, and trust me, you guys always see this screenshot. When you see this screenshot next time, you'll be able to already know what Patrex Pro is. On our subsequent video, I'm going to be going in depth to show you guys the strategy behind Patrex Pro, to show you guys how to download it, how to install it, how to backtest it. We're going to backtest a couple of trades which are going to blow your mind. You'll be able to see what Patrex Pro can do. We'll be able to go on different assets, currency pairs, gold, indices, to backtest Patrex Pro, so that you guys can see the monster, the kind of monster Patrex Pro is. And then on our subsequent videos, again, we'll do a couple of videos, because now I want to be able to educate people on robotic trading. And talking about robotic people, I want to also educate people on Patrex Pro. So we'll be having a series of videos going ahead that are going to be talking about Patrex Pro, the risk management involved, how it handles the risk management more than any human, how it handles money management more than any human, how it handles spreads, filters, and all of that more than any human. So we'll have all those videos already planned going ahead. So thank you guys so much for watching to this particular point in time. If you want to be able to join me in Godlove University, Godlove University is a community where we trade together, we share ideas together, we grow together. And if you want me to mentor you one-on-one, you want me to be your mentor, then you can just click the link below to join my call to enroll in Godlove University, take the Forex course, enroll in Godlove University, and once you become a student in Godlove University, you automatically becomes my mentee, and we're going to be able to prosper and grow together. Thank you guys so much for watching. You can click this video to watch a robotic, to watch Patrex Pro making more than $10,000 in one trade or in one day. You can also click this playlist to watch all robotic trades on this playlist. Also click here to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on these other videos. Peace.